Hey, so today is Monday. We're gonna go run and pick up some boxes for I guess internet shipping, and on the way to go get my morning bagel, found all this scrap wire. So I guess we're gonna have to go check some trash. Even got a box full of oh wow, railroad spikes. Didn't know that was in there. That's pretty cool. So I don't know, that was my morning find so far. We'll see what else I find. I'm going to throw this on. A lot of this is good strippable wire, so it made my day. All right, next. So I did pick up on Saturday before the rain. I did pick up the couch base, this wheelbarrow, and a microwave. I still have to get the little motor out of the microwave, but and then this was how much of the number 1 wire. There's a bunch of that was the number 2 wire. So we'll see how we do trash picking. I don't know, I see the first little piece of metal. I wonder what it is. Maybe it's for slides. Come on, open up. It's stuck. Oh, it totally is. We'll sell at the market. All right. Next stop. So this is kind of one of the things I'm after today. Are all these nice boxes? Just because I have a bunch of ornaments and stuff that I've been shipping out, and always it's better than buying them or ordering them. And since I'm out scrapping anyway, I've been grabbing them. All right, I was just showing you. So I'm not finding much, but there's a dehumidifier right here. They got about the same amount of copper as AC. This one's nice and heavy. But I still have a lot of room on the truck. I might be at $10, $15 of shred light iron. So, all right, we'll see what we find next. So, over here there was just a teeny bit of steel. It might be aluminum. I guess I'll have to test it. Nah, it's definitely steel. I don't know. I might be wrong. But I'm gonna load that up real fast. Guess it's 2 garage panel doors. Nice and heavy. They might actually make good walls for the side of the truck. Maybe they're closet doors, I'm not sure. I'm grabbing them. Definitely finding some stuff for it being, actually it's warm today. All right, see what we get next. So it is aluminum. That's good. We'll see if we find it. Anything else? Might be aluminum day. That's good. I just got flagged down. They had a bit of aluminum over here. Thank you. Making a mess. Well, it did become an aluminum day. We're doing pretty good now. Definitely got some stuff, so thank you. Well, find a little bit more. It's actually turning out to be a pretty good day. Those heaters always eat up way too much electric. But they are sellable at the flea market, so maybe I'll sell that one at the market. Seemed like a nice little digital one. All right, next. So here's a lamp. It looks metal. Oh, it definitely is. We'll see how. Wonder if it's aluminum or brass. It's heavy though. I think those chairs were nice too. Let's look at those chairs. They might actually be sellable. I think I'm going to take a pair of these chairs. This one's broken on the bottom here. See the bottom rung's gone, but the pair of those look good. So I'll try selling those on Craigslist. All right, I guess that's it. So I think this is probably going to be the last piece. I got a nice full load on here now. It's aluminum umbrella. So we'll see how we do at the scrapyard. Heading over there now. I think I'm going to take the aluminum off. We'll do 2 trips. We'll do an aluminum trip and we'll do a steel trip. So, all right, that's what's next. Well, I was doing my rounds and right before I went to the scrapyard, and I saw a laptop. So looks like it had a little bit of rain on it, but the cord and stuff's definitely good. Who knows? Let's see if there's anything else. Nope. Seems newer though. All right, on the way to the scrapyard. So the wind really got warmer. Of course, the aluminum's blowing now. But I was just showing you the stuff I was adding to the scrap pile that we picked up this morning. I'm hoping that it's all the aluminum and the steel. Let's see, the steel's going to be about 15 bucks. And hopefully the aluminum's, I don't know, it'd be real nice if we were right around 100 bucks. We'll find out though, on our way to the scrapyard as soon as I load this. So I'm dropping off the aluminum first. I'll see if he takes these Christmas lights right now. Gotta untie this. He's giving me the hopper, so I'm gonna fill that up. Are you guys buying Christmas lights? Are you buying Christmas lights right now?
I want to ask
Okay. Well, ask him. All right, gonna put this off and see what happens. 1,300 or 30. So it's 220 pounds.
1038.
1038. And what's your tear? 830? Oh, 890, 900. So almost.
Coming inside. 1038. Yeah.
So it's not that much. Not 200 pounds. Probably 120 pounds.
1038. 89. 140 days.
140. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Set?
Yeah, that's it.
Thank you.
All right, so we're not going to make that much money. Oh well, we'll get like 60 bucks now instead of 100. All right, I'm going to go take off this light iron. So I got the tickets. They paid me out on for 2 separate tickets for some reason. First one was the Steel. I got $17. That's pretty good. Better than I thought. I didn't want it sitting in the truck, so that's why I dropped it off. The aluminum, we didn't have that much, so it'd be interesting what we got. Man, it is windy. We got we got $48. So I got $65 altogether. What I was doing in the time lapse, I took apart that microwave. See, I scored this to make sure it was copper and it was worth taking out. And I just hit out the fan with a sledge. I didn't drop off the Christmas lights here because they only wanted to give 5 cents. I could have just thrown them off at for light iron and they would have paid 7 cents. So it wasn't worth getting rid of the, normally Christmas wires 25-30 cents. But I don't know, I'm out of here. It's a beautiful day. Hopefully I have time to do a little bit more scrapping today. Hopefully you liked the video. We'll see everybody next time. Thank you very much. Peace.